Hello fellow YouTubers and Airsofters, this is Mega Man from Praying Mantis team. This is our game series at Twin City Airsoft's Giant Airsoft Game 3, located in Baldwin, Wisconsin, and we are registered for Blue Team. So the area that is located here is Blue Base, our main base of respawn. We are currently waiting for our commander to give us the gameplay strategies that he wants us to hold for today.
We got blue arm tape coming on the way. The game's not starting until you guys all get taped up. Then you go over the game plan right now. Right now we're not going to push hard, we're not going to push fast. We're going to capture purple base right over there, orange base right down there, then we're going to capture black base. And that's as far as we're going. We're not pushing past black base, we're not pushing into mayhem, we're not pushing farther up the hills, we're not doing that. Right, we got to keep the game in the middle of the field, make it a little more high intensity stuff, and then we don't get screwed over with like the enemy team getting more perks like air strikes and stuff. When you guys capture a base, I'm not worried about purple and orange bases being captured. Like, capture them and keep moving on. When you guys get out the black base, one person go into black base, slap that stick into blue side, then get 100 feet out of black base. Get in front of black base about 100 feet. Guys, everybody lay down, full security, and wait for the enemy team to come. Because if we catch the black base and the air strike it, if somebody's inside of there, they're dead. So we lost that guy.
Does everybody know how to switch the flags over?
This question is really crucial, as Twin Cities, this is the first time that they were using these type of flags of neutral and the two colors that are facing each other in this match.
Gentlemen, when you come up to a base, and it's either neutral or red, there will be a slide block on it. You'll push it over and up or down to blue. Make sure blue is present in the clear tube area. We already have them locked together. It will then be blue. There is, again, a slide block. You're not touching the flag at all. There will be a section about yay high. You don't have to move and turn to red or blue. Make sure you turn it to blue. If you accidentally turn it to red, it will count for red team. What you would have to do. Make sure it's blue.
Let's give it to him, boys.
The gun that I'm operating with today is a fully licensed GNG Scar L by F.N. Herschel. This gun was purchased on Airsoft GI. Everything in this gun is stock. Only add-ons are the PTS angle grip, ACOG with no times in function, mock suppressor, chrono at about 398 to 397 FPS with .20 gram BBs.
Go PMT.
Nice, we have purple. We have orange.
We got orange.
We got orange.
It must be going to purple, right? Yeah. Our team occupied orange and purple already, so I guess we can just go as reinforcement to defend. Our team got orange and purple already. Yeah.
We just go get black.
Yeah.
What?
Can't. I think this camera is getting us.
We are currently at this location, the shed.
Oh, they got green. Is that green or green? Okay. Okay. Let's go check out green. Go down.
Nope, I hit the wall. Is there anybody down there on that path? Can't we go up and around? No, there's. They might have gotten down there. That's where they were before. Hey, there's like 3 or 4 guys down there. Who is that? The guy in the shed's ours. Okay. Yeah, looks like they're walking this way though. Well. If they're walking this way, they're probably the other guys. Is there anybody down in that path? Not that I know.
Down, contact. We'll just stay around this perimeter. I think the enemy's going that way. I want to go around. Since I got range. Good crossing.
So here is the current situation. We are located on J5. We are currently engaged in a battle with enemy on Green Base. We also have enemy forces on the island area pushing toward the bridge.
Got contact over there, and then contact down this road right here. But then they got this one pinned down. It's just that side.
So they have that bridge held?
Yeah, this one's pinned down, but I don't know about that side yet. I think we still got enemy over there camping. Guys were trying to rush that base, but then they couldn't get through. They were getting shot like crazy over there. So yeah, we just got about like 3 men going back.
Oh, hit.
Is that our guy in the bunker?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got out? Dude, did you see how many I got out last time I was in?
No.
4. Really? Yeah. I just got up to that bunker, I ran up to that bunker, and they were like all on the other side of that wall. On your right. We have black, right?
I think so.
Is that up there?
Got that on camera.
What's it?
Here they come. They're by the bunker over there.
Okay, we got a spotter in Mayhem. He's just kind of hanging out, watching what we're doing.
Two bunkers? On there on top?
No, he's just standing. Look at him. He's standing right there watching. Yeah. So unless we got a sniper, can you pick him?
There's a sniper.
What's the status on Blackface?
Blackface is secure, but we are taking contact from the west coming down the hill. Would reinforcements cleared out. Over.
Peter, Kate.
Hey, we have guys moving up on the river. Can we move up at all?
That side's pretty much pinned down by the bunker over there. This side, they're occupying, I think, a base over there, down that road.
Because that's all buildings until you get out into the jungle over here.
Uh-huh.
So after, if you go out far enough, you should be able to come around. See, there's another sniper. Watch the left side. They're kind of hanging out over there. Yeah, I see that. There's a lot of them. Hey, who's got a radio?
I do.
If you wanna, if we can get more people up here.
What is this side? Is this like green side?
This is Mayhem.
Mayhem. Okay.
We're on the edge of Mayhem.
Okay. We need reinforcement on the edge of Mayhem, if possible.
One guy already over there, so why don't you go? Go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Three. Coming back, coming back.
Got him.
Right side?
Got him. Oh, yeah, we're blue. Okay.
Friendly fire.
We've got the shack under control back here.
Go, let's go, let's go, let's go. You gotta go. Go, 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 go. Because you guys covered. Go, 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 go.
It's looking good. I think this side is clear, but then we still got people. We still got enemy at Mayhem.
Okay. That's where the tank's headed. They're trying to draw fire from black. Here comes our tank. Right into Mayhem. Hold out. Straight there. Right up to Mayhem. Up there. Can you make it over there?
Yeah.
Hey, tank! Let's move up to the tank.
Hey, 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 hey.
Is that guy red? I don't remember. To your shit. Throw a car. Ah!
Thank you for watching our video of Giant Airsoft Game 3. Stay tuned, like and subscribe to watch my next video where I go and reinforce Black Castle, or also known as Black Base.